NANI?!
Questionable whether you could get enough.
Here I come.
Takes a perfect hit to miss the 5-ball. Or you might
kicked it
make it.
in.
Swerte.
Now this is one that I definitely like going.
Gonna pick up the pace, or he's not going to win this match.
I like this right here, buddy. It's an easier hit, better chance to win.
Aye. See, you win, eh?
The magician.
That's even better because
Nice.
way. Now this is one that I definitely.
No, he went 3. Good shot. Look at how clear he hit that. You gotta give it to him.
Magandang umaga mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Welcome to Billiard Masters Reaction and Commentary Videos. For today's reaction video, ito pag-uusapan natin yung isa sa mga nemesis na kalaban ni Efren Reyes. Walang iba kung hindi itong si Earl the Pearl Strickland. Dito nga gaganapin yung The Pool Masters, no? 9-ball championship, at ginanap ito dyan sa Chesapeake, Virginia. Mapapansin natin si Efren Reyes ang nanalo sa lag, kaya siya ang magbe-break sa rack number 1. Race to 9 ang kanilang laban, 9-ball yung game, at dito nga si Efren Reyes ang nag-break sa rack number 1. Ang kanilang breaking system ay winner's break, kaya dito mapapansin natin may tira pa rin si Reyes, no? At meron siyang chance na makabawi. Tingnan natin si Strickland, mukhang nasa table ngayon dahil walang bolang pumasok. Kaya tingnan natin kung maka run out si Strickland dito sa rack number 1. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
You want to come 2 rails out of that pocket. The only problem with this shot is you can get hooked behind something if you hit the 1. I mean the 3 on the right hand side, it's liable to get behind all that cluster of balls.
Right.
He missed a whole ball.
Well, he hit it a little hard, and that shortened it up.
Mm-hmm.
Well, this isn't so easy, buddy. I don't see a great way to obtain quality position on the 2-ball. It is the ball. It's about where the 5-ball spot is, a little different. That's the 2-ball. And it goes here, or the combination is workable. But other than that, I don't see much. I don't see an easy way to get there.
Well, I played, sure. Maybe not the best shot in the world, but it's a shot. You play the 1 in here, you play this rail, and play the cue ball to right here.
Okay.
And play the combination 2-3.
All right.
He hit it. He played it different.
Well, I don't know what he's doing here. Is he planning to play the billiard, or?
I think he's going to play the 3.
All right, but you think he's going to cut it into the 3-ball? We started with 88
Yeah, I think so.
players, down to 2.
At dyan nga mahusay yung pagkakapinan ni Reyes na yun doon sa 1. At dito mukhang eto hindi tinamaan yung combination niya sa 2-7 dito sa corner pocket. Very disappointed dyan si Reyes, pero ganun pa man, maaga pa. At back to table naman itong si Strickland. So meron chance ngayon si Strickland na i-combination yan or karambola, pero mukhang tatapusin muna ni Strickland, no, yung mailan-ilang bola dito para makaposisyon sa mga object ball niya. Ito nga, tuloy-tuloy na ito. Tingnan natin kung ma-run out ni Strickland itong rack number 1.
I think he played in the side pocket by the 7-ball.
He's got a good angle to do that.
Yeah, he can just float forward here. this, little inside English, perfect.
He used the whole pocket, didn't he?
Yes, he did. Now he can go on the, I like where he's looking here on the 7. He wants to get an angle where he can cut the 6 to his right a little bit, or he doesn't have to do that. He can draw it back and cut the 6 to his left a hair.
That's what he's going to do. Perfect.
Like this. Now he can punch out above the 7 ball. Like this. Good shot. Now the 7 in the corner, the 8 in the side, and he's going to go ahead 1 game to nothing.
At dyan nga sa pagpasok ng 7, no, mapapansin natin very fast facing itong si Strickland sa kanyang tira. At dito makikita natin last ball na lang siya sa rack number 1. Pasok yan, kaya 1-0 ang score natin mga kabilyard, no? Kaya dito si Strickland pa rin ang magbe-break sa rack number 2. Malakas ang break dyan ni Strickland. Tingnan natin kung may pumasok. Mukhang malabo yung break na yan. Dry break, kaya si Reyes balik sa table. Tingnan natin kung makabawi si Reyes dito sa rack number 2. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
The three I think passes the 7 up in the corner.
Well, that'd make it a lot easier, but, what Buddy's talking about, if it does...
At dito nga sa tira na yan mga kabilyard, kailangan niyang i-break yung ball number 3, no? Dahil nga cluster yan, at dito nagtagumpay si Reyes. Meron pa siyang magandang ball position dito sa 3. Napakahirap ng tira na yun, pero nagawa ng paraan ni Reyes. Mukhang maganda ang pinapakitang tira dito sa rack number 2, kaya sundan pa rin natin yan mga kabilyard.
Yeah, he's a little weak.
He sure is. That's a tough shot there. He might make that ball.
It's hard to gauge the severity of the angle from up here in the booth. Well, he's just a little tentative is all. He got off to a bit of a sluggish start, but he needs to get out here. Nice shot. Watch out for the 8.
Watch out for the 4.
At dyan nga sa pina na yan mga kabilyard, no, talagang very precise yung pagkakapina doon sa side pocket. Pero medyo alanganin yung ball position dito sa cue ball. Tingnan natin kung magawa ng paraan ulit yan ni Efren Reyes. So very disappointed siya doon sa angulo, pero tingnan natin, mukhang may chance naman na makapag-play safe dito si Reyes.
Here, the cue ball here, here.
That's a good shot. That's a good shot.
Well, I don't want to hit it so thin that I put it right in the middle of the 5-8 because I might leave a dead billiard or combination.
Right. That's what I thought he might do, right there.
Okay, that's a great shot. Great shot. Under pressure, that's even more magnificent.
This is going to be a good match. And Earl seems a little tentative.
Yeah. Now you can go up and down the table or use inside English. Since he's such a great lover of inside English, that's...
Well, he does do that. He loves it, all right.
Well, that's not an easy shot that he just did. Not a thing easy about that. He got on the wrong side of this, didn't he? No, he's all right. Just far enough.
At dahil dyan nakakuha ng magandang ball positioning itong si Reyes, tutok yan sa 8 at maganda na rin ang position yan sa 9. Kaya dito makikita natin yung papaano pagkabatikan nitong si Reyes no, sa rack number 2. At yan, pasok yung 8. Last ball na lang si Reyes para dito sa rack number 1. Kaya sundan natin yan mga kabilyard.
They do play.
I like the $150 entry fee. That makes it attractive.
Rack number 3, dito nga nag-break si Reyes at yun, very unfortunate. Na-scratch pa yung bola no, sa daming bolang papasok. Yung ball number 1 pa yung na-scratch. Dahil nga dyan, balik dito sa table itong si Strickland. Kaya panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
If he plans to play the combination, I don't believe the 8 goes. Now, I don't know about you. Well, actually, I do know about you. I kind of prefer to plan right now what I'm going to do with that 8 and 9. I'm going to have something in my head what I want to do with it.
Well, I'm sure he's going to play. He's going to play position on the 7 to come 2 rails around and play that 8 and 9 combination.
Right.
He's going to try to get straight in on the 6 so he can draw it back just a little for the 7. Of course, that's down the road.
Yeah, that's a good shot.
Yep.
Got a nice angle.
He wants an angle here to play for it, be able to play straight in on the 6. That's pretty good. He's kind of jumpy. He's kind of jumpy.
That's perfect.
Okay, he's going to play the angle about just a little left of where he's at right there in order to get 2 rails around on the 8-9. He'll shoot your 7 in, go 2 rails, maybe hit the 3rd rail down here about the last diamond.
Sure. Being careful not to adopt an angle that might cause him to scratch.
Right, exactly. That's perfect. That's where he wanted to be.
That's what he's doing, taking a little extra time. He does not want to scratch.
Right. You don't want to rub the ball and all that.
At dito nga mukhang minabadali na ni Strickland itong laban nila ni Reyes, no? Nasa last 2 ball na lang siya pero may balak siyang combinationan itong 8 sa 9. Pero tingnan natin kung magawa yan paraan ni Earl Strickland. Kaya sundan natin mga kabilyard.
I find it helps to use that low right English on this type of shot, too. Good shot. 2-1 advantage Earl Strickland. And it's off the monitor, but he defeated quite a number of terrific players.
Well, he changed his break, though.
He's coming up.
He came out in the middle of the table to break the balls. Before, he was breaking off the rail.
Well, he's got to push here, I think. There's no way to thin this ball. If he hits it thin enough to get it safe.
At dyan nga sa break ni Strickland walang pumasok kaya back to table si Reyes, pero medyo alanganin yung posisyon ng cue ball para dito sa object ball niya, no? Tingnan natin kung paano gumalaw dito si Reyes at kung ano yung diskarte niya dito, kung mag-play safe o mag-pupus. Kaya sundan natin mga kabilyard.
The left-hand side of the 1.
He
can play.
can.
Huh?
He can.
Well, he can play. Well, then why is he pushing out then? Now you can really hit the left-hand side of the 1. Earl, kill him on this. I just drop him over there with the 6.
Well, it's a free
Knock
shot
him.
to put him by the 6 because the 7, 2, and 9 balls will stop the 1 ball from
Right.
going.
He'll knock it right down there by them. Oh,
He's lucky to go
Well.
that way. Well, he got a snooker.
he's lucky as he can be right there. He got very lucky there.
Well, he made a good hit. Now, here's a place where I kind of like Matt saying this. Either side of the 1 he hits, he's got action. Or he's going to go to the end rail because he's kind of tied the 1 up. I mean, the 2 up, rather.
He got lucky. Oh, got lucky first.
At dyan nga makikita ninyo yung husay sa counter safety nitong si Efren Reyes, no? Talagang hindi rin magpapatalo sa mga play safe itong si Reyes. Medyo alanganin ngayon ang posisyon nitong object ball nila dahil nakadikit dito sa isang bola, no, sa 8. Kaya walang possible pocket ito. Pwedeng mag-counter safety dito si Reyes, si Strickland.
Cue ball over in here, and he should be behind the 6 if he hits at the right speed. And if not, he leaves it pretty tough anyway.
That's on. Boy, I don't know, Grady. I don't know how to shoot this shot.
That's what I meant.
Yeah, that's a good shot there.
Yeah, that's what I meant. It looks pretty good.
Sure. Yeah. Well, he just got a 1-rail kick here. I believe that's all he had.
I'd rather go 3 rails, except that the 3
Right.
is maybe a touch in the way.
Right. Touch. Maybe a touch. That's all you got to do is touch it. Yes.
Well, he tried to go 3 rails.
You know what I think he tried to do, Grady? I think he tried to hit it 1 rail.
Okay.
And it was high ball. And what happens when it gets real dry in here, that ball lengthens out. But most of the time it's not dry in here. You know, so that angle would have been true. You understand what I'm saying?
Sure, sure. Now, there's a number of ways to play this. He can go 1 rail into the 9 ball, 1 rail into the 2 ball, 2 rails into the 2 ball, or do this and play safe.
Well, I think the 9 was deader than George Washington at the side. He didn't even look at that.
Well, I don't know what he did here. He can't even stop the cue ball and put it behind the 9. I don't think.
I don't know why he didn't just set the cue ball straight in and play position for that combo.
Well, maybe he can, or he wouldn't have done this.
Well, he's banking the ball. He's shooting to make it.
Okay, that's a good shot.
At dyan nga, napakahusay nung ginawang play safe ni Strickland. Mukhang mahirapan dito si Reyes dahil nga ito, nakadikit pa sa 9 yung cue ball. Tingnan natin kung paano diskarte yan ni Reyes ito. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
2 and into it that way. I think it's an
Exactly.
easier hit, better chance to win. So
I hate having to go above the 4 and short. See, he actually went too short.
Being on 2 won't matter. He's got a nice angle here. Well, this isn't my favorite angle for this kind of shot. Come out 2 rails, 1, 2, just like that. Good shot. Low left English, you come back towards the 7 ball.
At dyan nga tulad ng naasahan natin talagang mahusay din itong si Strickland, no? Kapag naka-ball-in-hand advantage, merong malaking chance talaga na ma-run out yung table dahil napakaganda nung kalat ng bola at maganda yung layout ng table. So dito, mapapansin natin talagang mabilisan si Strickland, pasok yan. 3-1 ang score, no? Lamang na lamang dyan si Strickland. Kaya siya pa rin ang magbe-break sa rack number 5. Mukhang minamadali ni Strickland itong laban niya kay Reyes. At mapapansin ninyo talagang mahusay, no? At dyan sa break na yan, medyo disappointed si Strickland. Walang pumasok. Back to table naman itong si Reyes. Kaya sundan pa rin natin mga kabilyard.
It to his left and float the cue ball over for the 3 ball in the same pocket. Or he could plan to play the combination, but I don't think that that's the right shot.
No, I don't either. He's right there.
Yeah,
right there. That's
exactly. This is perfect.
Everything, just connect the dots here. All you got to do is get on the...
Well, the
Wait.
5 ball, you either have to play the combination or get a good angle on the 4.
Yeah, I believe I would play to get an angle on the 4.
Now, if the 4 goes in the side comfortably, he can just draw this back and towards the 4 ball, he'll have the right angle.
It looks like it will.
Just like this, now he can come across 1 natural rail for perfect position on the 5 ball. Nice, nice. Now you go up 1 rail to the right side of the 8 ball, or 2 rails to the right side of the 8, like this. And that's a good shot.
At ito nga, mukhang bumalik yung momentum ni Reyes dito sa rack number 5 na yan. Napakahusay nung pinapakita niyang cue ball control and positioning, no? Eksaktong-eksakto kung nasaan yung sa kanyang object ball. May kikita natin dito na sa last 3 balls na lang si Reyes at may chance na ma-run out niya ito at makahabol sa score ni Strickland na 3-1 ang score. At ito nga, mapansin niyo talagang mahusay at magaling yung kanyang birada dito sa rack na ito. Last 2 balls si Reyes, mukhang abante ng 1 puntos dyan. At dito tutok pa itong cue ball sa 9. Talagang mahusay yung kanyang ginagawang tira. Pasok yung 9 na yan, 3 ang score natin. Lamang pa rin si Strickland ng 1 puntos, pero si Reyes naman ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 6. Kaya sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Prepared
Yep.
to defeat these great modern-day champions.
I think so.
Oh, he kind of hit it with the easy break, and he's going to make a ball. Now, if he doesn't get straight in, he's got action here. But he got
Yes.
straightish. Earl is at a 9:23 pace. Ray is 7:92, and that's mostly because of a couple of bad kick shots. Now, buddy, this is rough here.
He's really got to spin this. He's got to spin it a lot.
I'm not sure I wouldn't go rail first with like a just above center ball.
Awful small pockets here.
Okay. All right.
But,
Well, maybe he can get beyond the 8 here. We'll see. Oh, that's a pretty
Man,
shot.
he got a lot of juice on it. He still didn't get down far enough.
No.
But he got down far enough for real first.
Yes, he did. I like hitting this fairly easy, too. I don't want to hit this too hard.
The problem with this, if you get a shot at the 3, it's going to be a long one. It's going to be a long shot unless you draw it. Oh, what's he doing?
Well, maybe he's got a curve to get far enough in there to go rail first and make it.
See,
Nice shot.
he got a shot, but it's a long one.
Well, he's got some choices here. He might be able to miss the 5 if he hits it easy, but I'm not so sure I wouldn't just go to make this. And I hit it a pretty good clip, and there's an excellent chance he'll have a good shot on the 5 ball.
I believe he's going to cinch the 3. I don't think he's going to just do his
Exactly.
best to make the 3.
But I didn't think he was going to roll it. That's a great shot. Great shot. I like the fact that the way he shot it, it's almost 100% make on a 3 ball. Dribbling that ball long distance in battle conditions is usually bad news. Now 1 rail underneath the 7, like that. Nice shot. Now the rest of this rack, pretty much a foregone conclusion.
At dyan nga sa pagpasok ng 6 na yan, mukhang makaka-break and run si Reyes dito sa rack number 6. No? Mahusay yung pinakita niyang break doon at meron siyang available shot. Dahil dyan, may chance ngayon si Reyes na tumabla dito sa score na 3-2. At ito nga, last 2 ball na lang si Reyes, tutok pa itong cue ball para sa 8. Napakahusay at magaling, no? Yung pinapakitang tira dito ni Reyes. At may chance na makatabla si Reyes for the first time dito sa laban na ito. At ito talagang pinaatras pa ni Reyes at dito kinuha yung ball number 9. Aiming si Reyes sa last ball, pasok yung 9. All 3 ang score natin mga kabilyard. At ganun pa man, si Reyes pa rin ang magbe-break sa rack number 7. Kaya panoorin pa rin natin.
Well, he's using the...
I don't like that break.
I don't either.
That break is not worth a quarter.
It's kind of like the deal about a good big man will beat a good little man, all other things being equal. I believe if you crack the balls a little harder than your opponent with accuracy, that good results will occur. Meanwhile, this doesn't go anywhere, does it? Does it go on
No,
the
they go
side?
straight in.
Oh, okay. Well, he's in business then. He can just roll it straight forward. Good shot. Now a little inside English and lay the cue ball over right about the right-hand side pocket. This, good shot. Now you can just stop the ball or draw it back a little bit. Shot. Hey, no problem here. You can just roll forward here.
It don't take him long, does it?
No, it sure doesn't. Oh, they had one match in this tournament, lasted for 3 hours, and personally, I think we need to take steps to address that sort of situation. That's ridiculous. 3 hours for a race to 11, which it was. Just draw it back, pass straight in on the 7 like this. Hard to go wrong here. It is go down to the end rail and back up a few inches.
You better hold. Wow.
Well, he just went a little farther than he meant to.
Yeah, you got to hit it left-handed, I think, though.
Good shot. And Earl Strickland goes ahead 4 games to 3.
At dyan nga mukhang nakaabante pa rin itong si Strickland, no? 4-3 ang score natin mga kabilyard. Lamang dyan si Strickland at siya pa rin ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 8. Medyo maganda yung pinapakita ni Strickland dito pero hindi naman lumalayo itong si Reyes. At dito mukhang may chance na tumira ulit si Strickland at muntik pang may scratch. Pero dahil dyan, hindi yan scratch at may available shot itong si Strickland. Tingnan natin mga kabilyard kung ma-run out niya itong rack number 8.
But you know the safety. Earl will play safe sometimes, and I think this would be well advised in this current situation, don't you?
Yeah, just stretch it out a little, let it drop it down below the 8, just stick right there. You don't have to take no chances with it. Like that.
Yeah. That's even better because he completely took away the short rail.
Yeah.
But I definitely like going 3 rails.
Most 3 cushion players do, but I think.
Oh, no.
No, he went 3. Good shot. Look at how clear he hit that.
Oh,
You
the
gotta kick
audience.
another. You gotta kick another now.
At dyan nga, sobrang lupit at sobrang galing nung 3-rail kick shot ni Efren Reyes na yun. At walang masabi dyan si Strickland dahil talagang tinira ni Efren yan. Hindi yan fluke or anumang klaseng chamba. Intentional shot yun mga kabilyar. No? Ganun kahusay sa mga kick shot itong si Efren Reyes. At dito nga dahil dyan, nagkaroon siya ng pagkakataon ngayon na magkaroon ng play safe. At dito binawian ni Reyes ng isang play safe si Strickland. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Well, I might shoot at this. He has room to go rail first.
Yeah.
I mean, he's probably not going to have position on a 3 ball, but I think this is worth the attempt. Or he could go lengthways at it. That's not a bad shot either. Better chance to get safe if he misses in that fashion.
That's a pretty good shot right there.
Well, that's a loss there. He's got a free bank. At least I believe it will be a loss. Can't he load this up with left English? And he doesn't even have to draw it to get the cue ball to go around the 8 and over towards the left side of the 3 ball. This is an absolutely free shot if he doesn't have to elevate the cue.
He didn't have to do anything to it.
All right, just
Hit it with a little left.
right.
But he's got to make it. He left
Well-
him a shot. He can hit it.
Well, if he can hit it, I don't know if he can hit it or not.
Yeah, he can hit it. Guarantee he can hit it.
Well, it doesn't look like it from my vantage point.
Well, I may be wrong, but I believe he can hit it.
Okay. Well, I believe he would have already
You
shot.
have a better angle than I have.
I think he would have already shot if he could hit it, don't you?
Yeah. The monitor there looks like you're right. Look, the monitor over looks like he may be completely hooked. Well, here he goes.
Well, he may be able to go rail first, gently. Oh, he was able to do it. Well, you're right.
He was kicking at it. He was kicking at it. He was kicking at it.
Well, he used a lot of right English, and he curved it a little bit from his left to his right. Meanwhile, he's in business here, buddy.
But he was actually kicking at it.
Well, I think he was, too. Now, whether we can get Earl after the match to admit that.
I think he said it right then. He was the most surprised person in the joint.
Well, there's been a lot of times in our joint careers where we have been the most surprised people at the place.
Yeah, like I said, you can talk to yourself. You can even answer yourself. Just don't say, huh.
Now, 2 rails out of the far left-hand corner. Just like that.
Hit it a little too firm. You got to be careful with stuff like that.
At dito nga mukhang nakabawi ng tira itong si Strickland at may chance siya ngayon umovertake pa ng 2 puntos, no? 4-3 ang score natin at last 2 ball na lang itong si Strickland dito sa rack number 8. At dito tutok na itong Jess ay itong 9 sa corner pocket. Pasok yung 9 na yan. 5-3 ang score natin dyan mga kabilyard, no? Mukhang nakakalamang talaga dito si Strickland. At siya pa rin ang nasa breaking advantage. Siya ang magbe-break sa rack number 9. Kaya sundan natin kung madagdagan pa itong lamang ni Strickland. Medyo sablay siya dyan. Nag-bounce yung cue ball kaya foul yan. Volley hand advantage kay Reyes. Very disappointed dito si Strickland. No? Tingnan natin kung anong magagawa niya dito.
I just try to get, I like to get straight in on this 2 ball. Being a right-handed player, I mean, if I can.
Exactly. Try to get straight in on it. Exactly. Try to get straight
I could just reach my arm over the table. The 3 balls on the far right-hand side rail. Anyway, he's in business here. Low left English. He wants to come beyond the 7 ball. Like this. Beautifully done. Now the 4 is by the side, in the left-hand side pocket. All he's got to do is draw this back. Got to watch out for the 7 ball. I just come back 2 or 3 inches here. I wouldn't come back much. He's going to look and see, is that comfortable to get on the 5 ball with, and I believe it is. Now, this is worth taking a second look at. Last thing in the world you want to do is end up with a tough shot to get on the 5.
Yeah.
Now you just float down to the end rail.
Yeah.
Not even a big deal if you get straight in on the 5 here. He took no chance of that occurring.
So I didn't like his position because he had hit that ball so thin, Of course, with the angle and everything, he's going to get out, but still.
We could have made it easier, is your point.
Right, a lot easier.
Well, he's in pretty good shape here. 1 natural rail for the 7 ball. He'll get an angle inside the 8. No, he decided to go the other way. Just as good. Low left English. He'll hit the rail before the left-hand side pocket. Let the left English slide him down towards the 9 ball.
See, I think that's risky.
At dito naman mukhang nakakabawi si Reyes diyan sa mga tira niya na yan. 5-3 ang score, lamang si Strickland ng 2 puntos. Pero si Reyes ito mukhang abante rin ng 1 puntos yan. Ayan, pasok yung 9, 5-4 ang score natin, lamang pa rin si Strickland. Pero si Efren Reyes naman ang mayroong breaking advantage ngayon dyan sa rack number 10. At mapansin natin talagang focus itong si Reyes dahil nga isa sa pinakamagagandang laban niya ito at kalaban niya dito yung kanyang pinakamortal na karibal sa larangan ng pool and billiard, Walang iba kung hindi si Earl Strickland. Dito nga mukhang nauungusan ni Strickland si Reyes, pero tingnan natin kung paano makahabol itong si Efren Reyes. Si Reyes ngayon ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 10. Kaya sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Well, he hit him a little harder.
That's better.
Hit him a little harder, but that side over there is not worth quarter to break the balls from anyway.
No, he has not made a ball.
Earl tried it 1 time. He seen that right away.
Well, I don't like giving it more than once or twice, boy. And
boy, naughty. You're right about that.
this is kind of important here. I like to come down far enough where I don't have any trouble. He was looking to see, so I think he can draw this 2 rails, miss the 9, and come underneath the 6. He wants to use low left and come 2 rails, a short 2 rails, out of this lower right-hand corner. Okay, well, boy, that was a little risky, buddy, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a lot risky.
I'm surprised at what he did there.
Which side of He's following it, isn't he?
Yeah.
Wow.
At dyan nga, nagpakita ng mahusay na trick shot din itong si Strickland, no? Maganda yung pinakita niyang pakarga doon at saka yung paikot ng bola para makakuha ng ball position dito sa next object ball niya. Mahusay din talaga sa cue ball control itong si Strickland at saka fast pacing, no? Yung sa kanyang pagtira dito sa mga bola. Pero accurate, napakataas ng accuracy niya sa kanyang packeting skills. At dito may chance na makarun out si Strickland sa rack number 10. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
I go below the 8 here. I don't try to pull it above the 8.
I mean, just punch it out one rail.
Right.
I don't know if he's got that much angle.
Oh, yeah, I can do that. If you can do that, that's what you do.
Yep. Well, now he's back in perfect line. And barring the unpredictable, he's going to go ahead 6 games to 4.
At dito nga, tulad sa inaasahan, panalo si Strickland dyan sa rack number 10. Rack number 11, siya pa rin ang mag-break. Ang score natin ngayon, 6-4. Lamang na lamang dyan si Strickland, no? Race to 9 lang ito, mga kabilyard. At dito nga, naghahabol pa itong si Efren Reyes. Walang bolang pumasok, kaya back to table si Reyes.
Efren does not have a shot here. Now, I'll show you what I like here, if he can do it, but I don't know if he can. If he can get around that enough, I like loading it up with right English, just knocking it out one rail, and just trying to park the cue ball right there.
Yeah, I think he can do that.
And he hits it easy, so the English takes quickly.
Right, that's a good shot. You just feather this ball. Just bunt it. Bump it out.
Now, he can't go 2 rails, even though that's an easy hit, because the one ball figures to hit the 5.
Right.
There's no way to get it safe.
Exactly. Well, he can't roll out. I don't think he can roll out.
Well, if I rolled out, I'd roll it an inch or so to my left, or a half inch. Let Earl take it. If it was questionable whether you could get enough English. Well, I don't like this 2-rail kick. Takes a perfect hit to miss the 5 ball. Well,
He
might
kicked it
make
in. He kicked it in and may have a shot. He may have a cut shot. Oh, that's awful lucky there.
Well, you and I know he wasn't playing to make it.
He was awful lucky.
Well, he was pretty fortunate that other time when the 1 ball went in long ways. I don't remember who won that game, but a lot more ways to sell out than making it the length of the table. Well, a lot of things he can do here. He can park him behind the 5. He can thin it, cutting it to his right, which is what it looks like he's going to do. Like this. Well, I'll show you the shot I like here. I don't know if Earl will do it. I like kind of a massé rail first kick. I like masséing it slightly around like this and coming off the side of it and the cue ball back down here.
I prefer the 2-rail kick.
Okay.
He's looking at it now. I prefer hitting here and here with English.
Okay, well, he's really got to load it up with English to lengthen it out off that second rail.
Yeah, it's just a draw shot. Perfect. That's the way I like it.
Yeah, that's a beautiful shot.
If
And
you
a
get
nice
it on
call
the way
on your
over.
part, too.
You had to draw it in order to hit it full.
Now, he's got some options here, buddy, too. He can come in here to the end rail and go 2 rails off the ball or 1 rail into it, and what speed he hits it and how thick he hits the 2 ball determine what direction the cue ball goes.
Right. I think he's trying to hit it full. He's trying to hit it full.
Yeah, I like the full hit, too, and sometimes the cue ball will go through the object ball.
Right. He'll try to know. He's going to try to get the cue balls close to the 7, 6, and the 4 as he can, and it'll bank the 2. If he hits it 1 rail, it'll bank the 2 up away from him. He'll hit it pretty firm. This shot right here, he'll hit it pretty full and pretty hard. No? Golly, that's not a rail. No rail.
Yes, it is. It is, but if he hits two rails in the object ball, the cue ball travels out. It travels a lot slower than if he hits the
He
ball
hit a
going
rail
in.
then?
Yeah, he hit the ball going in. Yeah. Cue ball wouldn't travel nearly that fast if he hadn't. It's academic anyway.
At dito nga mukhang nakalusot na si Strickland at may chance siya ngayon na ma-run out itong rack number 11 na ito. Mukhang mahihirapan si Reyes na makahabol dahil 2 racks na ang lamang dito ni Strickland at ito mukhang minamadali na naman ni Strickland yung pag-ubos ng bola dito sa rack number 11. At makikita natin yung very precision shot ni Strickland, no? Hindi ito pangkaraniwan at dekalibre yung kanyang cueing skills. Kaya tingnan natin kung makabawi pa si Reyes dito.
I've seen none of the other players shoot.
What do you do? I'd be interested to learn.
Okay, I'll draw this ball to here and back over
Oh
to here.
yeah, I show guys that sometimes in an exhibition. They don't realize you can do that. Yeah,
I draw it below the side, then back above the
yeah,
side.
that's a nice shot. Yeah.
And that shot's on.
Yes, it is.
No, he's playing it just. That's okay.
Yeah, this is fine.
Yeah. I would have probably, for that particular shot right then, I would have probably let the same way eat it. But I'm just saying, a lot of times that shot comes up to where if you got to shoot it that way, you can.
Pasok ang 8. Ito nga, last ball na lang si Strickland sa rack number 11. Mukhang abante ng 1 punto si Strickland dito. Pasok yung 9 na yan, 7-4, no? Lamang na ng 3. Itong si Strickland, talagang pinahirapan niya itong si Efren Reyes. Last 2 racks na lang itong si Strickland at pwede nang manalo dito sa championship match na ito. Full Masters, no? Yung labanan na ito, kaya makikita natin talagang mahusay yung pinapakita doon ni Strickland. Pero dito sa rack number 12, mukhang hindi pinagbigyan si Strickland dahil walang pumasok. Back to table naman si Reyes.
No problem with the 2 ball, except you got to be careful that you don't want to have to hit the 6 when you make the 2 ball. I don't know that he can avoid that. I might consider, if he has the right angle, if I see it right, to go 2 rails around the 9. That's if the 3 passes the 9.
Yeah, I think he can go 2 rails around it.
Well, if he does that, he doesn't have to interfere with the 6 in any fashion.
What he might do here, he might have to be worried about getting behind the 4. He might have to hit it like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Come around 2 rails and back across it.
I don't think he's got to hit it that hard. Well, let's see what he does here.
I don't know. He's hitting it inside.
That's what it looks like.
Why would he do that?
Well, he must not have thought he could do the other shot.
Yeah, evidently it was a shot where he's going to run into it.
Now, there's a shot where you can go 3 rails. I'll show you on the monitor if I see it right. I might be wrong. You make the 3. 1 with right English, 2, 3, and back here for the 4 ball.
Yeah, that works for me. That works for me.
He can't draw this ball. You can't interfere with the 7 and 8 down there.
He hit it pretty easy.
Well, that's fine. That's just as good the way he did it.
Yeah.
He did it the same way, only he played position for the corner.
Right, which is really the place to play that, really.
Right, okay. Yep, you're right.
he's kind of laughing at
Yeah, I
himself.
like that little giggle expression that he gets.
There he goes. Where's it going? Where's it going?
I don't know. If he had to do that, he might as well have played it in the other pocket.
Yeah.
Well, he can't get cued. He cannot afford to not get out here.
No, he can't. He got to get out. I can't stand it, that kind of stroke, man.
You know what that reminds me of? I'll tell you in just a second here. As our score is going to go to 8 games to 5.
Maybe. He got straight in on that one.
At dito nga mukhang nakabawi ng momentum si Reyes sa rack number 12. Last 2 balls na lang siya dito sa table na ito at mukhang may chance na umabante, no, dahil nga 3 na yung lamang dito ni Strickland at ito last ball na lang si Reyes para sa rack number 12. May chance na makahabol ng 1 puntos. Kaya makikita natin dito mga kabilyard, no, mukhang wala din na remorse at saka nervyos itong si Reyes sa kanyang tira. 7-5, lamang na lang ng 2 puntos si Strickland at dito mukhang may pumasok, no, doon sa corner pocket na yon. Medyo alanganin lang yung posisyon ng cue ball para sa next object ball. Pero tingnan natin kung gaano kagaling si Reyes sa mga ganitong situation.
Go forward much here. There's all kinds of stuff in the way. If he draws the ball and comes over here some kind of way, I might come over here and all the way back over here.
He can play at 2 rails and try to go up between the 6 and 8.
All right. Well, I thought it was tough.
Yeah, he missed the shot, but he had a shot to get position. He had to go between the 8 and the 6.
Now, does Earl have a half or a third of a pocket?
Like a half a pocket, yeah.
Well, if he does, he's close to the 2 ball, which makes the accuracy not that difficult. Well, he was shaking his head. Well, I think Earl will play the combination if he doesn't have a respectable opening there.
Grady, I give my students and stuff when I teach, they'll say, man, I can't tell if that ball will go or not. I said, well, I'll tell you how you can tell if it'll go. You use that ball just like it's the cue ball. You address it. You address it like it's the cue ball and see if you could shoot it in that pocket. Mm-hmm. If you can shoot it in that pocket, then it'll go.
Right. Well, Efren may face the same dilemma.
Well, yeah, he's got more of a hole. He's got more of a pocket.
Well, if he had it back, I think he'd like to take the combination.
Maybe, yeah, you're right. Yeah, he definitely don't want to do that. My nose is cold. It's cold in here.
Well, they usually keep it cold for some reason. That's a good angle. Well, maybe it's not a good angle. Maybe he's got to cut it more than I think.
Yeah.
But he's okay here. He's an interesting player, Efren. He's always fascinated me. He gets a lot more cue ball movement than you think he needs. Now he'll come up one rail.
At doon sa pagkakamali ni Strickland na yun, nakabawi ngayon ng posisyon si Reyes. At ito mukhang may chance na ma-steal ni Reyes itong rack number 13 kay Strickland, no? Naganda yung layout ng table at may chance na ma-run out niya para makahabol dito si Efren Reyes. At ito nga, panoorin natin kung paano niya i-clean up ito.
Pull it back out a little bit. Good. There went that following. He followed it.
He's messed around here. That 9 is a huge thing here, you know?
Yeah, he's liable to make the 9 on this shot or hit behind it, knock it over the side rail.
I believe he can go inside the 9 with a thin hit inside English, like this.
Yep, good shot.
Well, he had a lot more adventure on that out than what he wanted.
Yeah, now the score's 8-6. It's a close match again.
At dyan nga, tulad sa inaasahan natin mga kabilyard, no, tutok na yung 9. At ito, paunti-unting humahabol si Reyes. 7-5 ang score. May lamang si Strickland dyan. Pero ito, humahabol si Reyes. 6-7, no? Lamang pa rin ang 1 punto si Strickland. May pumasok sa side pocket, yung 1. At dito may available shot sa 2.
Either play the 4 off of the 7 ball.
Or 7 combination.
Or the combination. Or you can do it with the 5 ball, but I believe it's easier with the 4 ball. He missed it. Ooh.
Why won't he go get his
I
other
thought he
cue?
hit overcut it a little bit.
He's traded cues. He's changed cues. He played that shot with his break cue.
I've done that. I've got a break cue that I like, and it plays similar to my playing cue. I've done that quite a few times.
At dito nga mga kabilyard, mapapansin natin na medyo may dalawang cluster, no, yung 7-9 at saka itong 8 and 5. Mukhang alanganin yung tira na ito. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin ni Reyes. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
I don't know that it even matters. You remember when we used to all kid him because he had like a $7 cue?
Yeah.
When he came over here and he played with that thing for like 5 years.
That one he's got there, it cost $12.
$12?
$12. The one that's leaning against his case over there. It's a Filipino cue. Cost $12.
Well, meanwhile, he's gotten out of line here. This is tough. He has to elevate the cue to keep him scratching if he plays it over there. Or, well, he's going to load it up with inside English and try to go to the end rail between the 8 and 9, like this.
Uh-oh.
Well, he can't make anything here. There's nothing that goes.
And I'm telling you, he's struggling through every round.
Yes, he is. There's no shot here, buddy, except banking the 5. Unless the combination is easier than I think it is. Well, I'd like to get a close-up. If that 7 is frozen, Earl's got problems here. If it's frozen and out a little bit, which it looks like, I don't even think he can make a ball here.
At dahil sa tira na yun, mukhang makakabalik dito si Strickland, no? At ito nga, sumablay dyan si Efren Reyes, kaya may chance ngayon na makabalik itong si Strickland.
Now, if that's the case, I might play the 9 ball
Yeah.
with the cue ball. And maybe the 7 a double kiss in or something.
Well, maybe, just maybe, you could play the 9 with the 5. Just stick.
Yeah, that's a possibility. That would certainly be creative. He's playing the 9.
He hit it pretty good, too, I tell you. He hit it real good.
Yes, he did.
That was a good shot right there. Never got a hand. Man, this thing here's sharp. Woo.
At doon nga mukhang napahirapan itong si Strickland. Mahirap yung position ngayon para kay Reyes. Konting pagkakamali dito talagang ma-steal ni Strickland yung rack na ito. Kaya tingnan natin kung anong pahirap ang gagawin ni Efren Reyes dito kay Strickland. Sinisilip niya yung 5 at may chance siya na mag-combine, pero tingnan natin, mukhang alanganin. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
If it hitting at that thin, he'll be all right. If he could hit it that thin, he's shooting at this pocket over here.
Well, I like it shooting at it in the pocket by the 9 ball.
Yeah. Got to hit it real thin to shoot it in the other pocket. Yeah, it looks different on the monitors than it does.
That's a
straight
very
at it.
thin cut. I believe the 7's frozen on the other lip of the pocket now.
Yeah.
That's a nice
great.
Ganun pa man, sa sobrang hirap ng tira na yun, pero napina pa rin ni Reyes, no? Napakalupit nung kanyang precision shot na yun. At dahil dyan, nagkaroon siya ng available shot dito sa object ball niya. May chance na tumabla si Reyes dito sa rack number 14, no? At ito nga, meron ng pagkakataon si Reyes ngayon na magkaroon ng chance na makahabol. At ito, last 3 ball si Reyes para dito sa rack na ito. At mayroong pagkakataon ngayon si Reyes para sa rack na ito.
Yeah, he did.
I'm telling you, he's struggling. He's
Well, right
struggling.
now, Earl is a little bit, too.
Yeah.
Or you can just go to the side rail. I guess he's got around the 9's a shot. Well, it's getting more interesting, buddy. It's going to go to 8 games to 7.
Yeah. They're not careful. All the steakhouses will be closed.
Pasok yung 9, all 7 ang score natin. Tabla tayo sa pangatlong pagkakataon mga kabilyard, no? Heel to heel match ito at neck to neck. Yung talagang, pero mataas ang percentage ng queuing at pocketing skills nitong si Strickland. 931 kumpara dito sa 830 ni Efren Reyes. Ito nga mukhang sumabsad pa yung bola dito at kailangan mag-bank shot pa nitong si Efren Reyes. Medyo natuwa siya dito pero tingnan natin kung makuha niyang ibang shot itong uno. Ganun pa man, hindi yan pumasok. Open na open kay Strickland.
Well, buddy, if I see this correctly, he can make this ball come down to the end rail here and back up about in here.
That's what he wants to do if he can. If he can do that, that's exactly what he wants to do.
I caught the 3 ball, but he's going to have a shot.
Yeah, he's okay. He's all right.
Well, do you draw this down to the end rail and back up? Do you try to risk hitting the 5? He can't roll this.
He's got tough shots here. Well, the way he's been playing, he'll draw it right into the 5.
Well, I think it hits the high side of the 5, and you can elevate the cue slightly, which is another one of the Earl's Strickland fortes. Yeah, that's what I thought. Hits the high side of the 5. Nice shot, Earl. He can do whatever he wants as regards to getting on the 6. From this angle, I like playing it for the corner. There's a touch of left English. Back side. Oh, he's going to go for the side. That's just as good.
Well, there he goes. There he goes.
Nice shot, nice shot. It's pretty much a shoot stop if I see the angle.
At eto na nga mga kabilyard, last 3 ball si Strickland, mukhang mauna siya sa top of the hill, no? At may chance na maka last rock dito si Strickland. All 7 ang score natin. Balikatan ang labanan. Talagang napakahusay nitong dalawang manlalaro na ito. At hindi magpapatalo dito si Strickland. Mukhang mauna siya sa top of the hill. Kaya tingnan natin kung makabawi pa dito si Efren Reyes. Ayan na, 8-7 na. Lamang na si Strickland, last rock. Siya pa rin ang nasa breaking advantage. Kaya sundan natin kung makabawi pa dito si Reyes.
He's going to go back to this other side again. Still using that long bridge you alluded to earlier, buddy.
Yeah. I think the other side is definitely the best breaking side.
Well, like you firing the rack guys, he's going to let that side of the table go. He won't stay there and go down, not making a ball on the break. Well, you got to shoot here. You got to bank this cross corner.
Yeah.
At dyan nga, dry break, no? At mahirap pa itong posisyon ng cue ball para sa uno. Tingnan natin yung diskarte ni Reyes dito at kailangan niyang makapuntos dahil nga last rock na lang dito si Earl Strickland. Bang shot ang ginawa ni Reyes. Muntik pang hindi pumasok. Medyo makapal yun. Ganun pa man, naipasok pa rin ni Reyes doon sa corner pocket at available yung 2, no? Tingnan natin kung makarun out na si Reyes dito at tumabla tayo. Magkaroon tayo ng hill-to-hill match.
He just wants to use some right-hand English. He wants an angle on the 4. Does not want to be straight in. That'll do nicely.
He wants to get where he can get almost just real close to straight in on the 5 here, because he wants to go forward just an inch or 2, so he'll have an angle to come down on the 7.
Right.
I believe I'd rather do it that way than to try to.
And to try to play it in the corner, you mean?
Right.
Yeah.
Well, he's going to have to play. He's going to have to play the 6 on the other side now. And it's harder to get the right angle. I would rather play for the 3 rail angle here. I just play the 5 and play the cue ball straight across, close to the 6. So when I shoot the 6 in the side, I come around 3 rails.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Well, I think he's going to play this for the corner, the 6 ball, I mean. Let's see. No, he didn't. Well,
that's the wrong angle on that ball.
Well, I don't know if he got there or not. If he didn't get where he can cut it the right way, he's going to have to play this in the corner.
It's the wrong angle.
Yep. Well, he's going to have to play this in the corner and go 3 rails, or with low riding is or play the combination. I don't know what else he could do here.
Draw his ball. 2 rails out of the corner up there.
Yeah, if he just, well, you as you mentioned, that's not an Efren. He doesn't like that.
Right. He's going to play for the combo.
Well, as getting on combos goes, that's not bad, but this is eminently missable.
It sure is. I miss it about 80% of the time.
Oh, these are hard shots, especially in the heat of battle.
Sa pagkakataon na ito, mukhang kailangan i-combination ni Reyes, no? At yun nga, na-combine niya yung 7 at saka 8. Napakahirap nung ginagawa na yun ni Reyes. Talagang very precise pa rin yung tira ni Reyes dito, no? At ito nga, tutok na yung 9 at mukhang magkakaroon tayo ng hill-to-hill match dito. Napakaganda ng labanan na ito, dalawang nemesis sa kanilang mga panahon at ito, pareho na score natin, lamang na ngayon si Reyes ng break, no? At dito siya ang magbe-break sa final rack. Hill to hill match tayo mga kabilyard.
Well, buddy, he made a ball on the break, but he snookered. Now, where do you roll out through here?
Well, I don't know where, but I know you're very careful. Oh, he's rolling out to a hook.
Well, I think you have to. I think you have to.
Well, I think he rolled out to half a hook. If he's hooked, he'd get to shoot again if it's me.
Well, I play this like a one-pocket shot if he tells me to shoot it.
Medyo masaklap yung break doon ni Reyes at dito nga mukhang napagbigyan pa itong si Strickland, no? At walang pumasok sa break na yan ni Efren Reyes. Pero mahirap yung posisyon nitong cue ball sa 1 at kailangan niyang mag-kick shot para sa play safety. Pero alanganin yan mga kabilyard, mukhang binalik ni ni Strickland kay Efren Reyes itong push ni Reyes, no, dahil nga hindi maganda yung tira doon. Pero ganun pa man, lalo pang pinahirapan ni Efren Reyes itong si Strickland sa tira na yan.
Oh, might have to shoot his jump shot here.
This is the type of thing for which Efren has become famous. He finds ways to get safe when nobody else can very well.
He might can go. Earl might have a shot here. He may have a shot here.
All right.
Well, come down through here with a whole lot of spin. Just missing the 5. And coming across and clipping this ball. Bringing it back to here and bringing the cue ball back down table.
Well, that might work.
He'd have to spin it a lot.
But I think he can twirl this around the right edge of the 2-ball and go rail first and actually play to make this like this.
Good shot.
Napakahusay nung ginawa ni Strickland doon, no, na pauna banda niya yung 1. Dahil dyan, nagkaroon siya ngayon ng pagkakataon dito sa ball number 2. Unfortunately, medyo mayroong harang doon sa itaas, no, yung 4 ba yun? Pero tingnan natin kung magawa ng paraan niya ni Strickland.
Well, it went, okay. Well, he got tough here. He's going to have to bank this cross corner. I don't think he wants to play safe here. I mean, he could play it cross side too, but I like the cross corner shot.
Yeah, I do too. I don't dislike the cross side. I don't dislike the cross side. I play this cross corner. I play the cue ball all the way down.
Yeah, right, exactly.
Come all the way down with it.
At dyan nga, yan ang pinakang magandang nangyari dito kay Efren Reyes. Nagkamali ng bank shot dyan si Strickland, no? Mukhang sumablay siya dyan at dito may chance na si Reyes. Pero unfortunately, medyo nakaangat yung dos doon sa corner pocket. Mahirap ito mga kabilyard. Pero disappointed pa rin dyan si Strickland. Heel to heel match ito, kaya medyo nerve-wracking yung mga ganitong situation. Pero tingnan natin anong gagawin ni Efren Reyes. Bank shot, boom! Patuloy tayo dyan mga kabilyard. Ang lupit ng ginawang bank shot dyan ni Efren Bata Reyes.
Now this is a tough shot. Do you give yourself the extra chance to make the 9? Or do you go 3 rails and try to get on the combination?
Man, I don't know. Just however you feel, however it looks there. You don't do that.
Oh, look at this, and he got he got position is about as good as you could get.
Oh, man.
At dyan sa position na yan mga kabilyard, no, medyo alanganin talaga yan. Pero tingnan natin kung magawa ng paraan ni Reyes itong position na yan sa ball number 6 na last 4 ball na lang siya dito. Kailangan niyang maipasok itong 6 na ito dahil kapag hindi ito pumasok, 100% si Strickland ang mananalo. Kaya no choice si Reyes dito kundi niya maipasok ito. At dito nga, solid na solid, no? Pasok yung 6 at ito may chance na si Reyes ngayon para manalo dito sa rack na ito.
There's no way in the world he's drawing this, I don't think. I might be wrong. No, that's what I thought.
Boy, I'm telling you, he's got every one in the world, hasn't he? So far.
All right, it's going to go to 9.
Ayan, napangiti na si Reyes at alam na this. Sabi nga ng mga pool master, no, medyo malakas pa ng konti at ito, sakto na yan. Last rack, last ball si Reyes. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video.